Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So for today I wanted to do something a little bit different. So we're going to be doing a beauty hacks, tips, and tricks video. These are just all little things I've learned over the course of several years and things that I do all the time, whether it be to make my life easier or make makeup go on better or look better, things like that. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. So my first trick is going to sound a little bit weird, but it's something I do quite often, and it is to refrigerate my beauty products. And I have two different ones that I refrigerate. The first one is those little jelly under eye patches. The ones from Patchology are my absolute favorite. And then the other thing that I refrigerate is a moisturizer. So lately I've been using this one. This is the Kate Sommerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. It is an exfoliating moisturizer. It just smells like heaven. It has this really nice fruit smell to it. It's just very light, very refreshing. But when you refrigerate these and you then apply them to your face, it's very invigorating. It helps to actually shrink your pores because anytime that your pores are warm or just they kind of look a little bit bigger than they usually do, by applying a cold product, it kind of helps the pores to just kind of go like that, if that makes sense. But this is my favorite one to keep in the fridge. Also, if you're going to do like a really intensive skin treatment or a facial or any type of mask, or you're just doing anything where your skin is irritated or red for any reason, by putting a cold moisturizer on it, it's really going to help to soothe it and just refresh it a lot. So my next beauty hack is travel size items. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I talk about them all the time. Now, a new one that I've been loving that I wanted to share with you guys is from Scentbird. Now with Scentbird, you pay $14.95 a month, and each month you get a little kind of mini perfume that looks like this. And there's over 450 different designer perfumes you can pick from each month. So you kind of get to date a perfume without actually marrying it. Like, I cannot tell you how many times I've committed to a full-size bottle of perfume and I barely ever put a dent in it. And then a new one comes out and I want to try that. And so they just stack up and I have all these bottles of perfume that basically never really get fully used. And it's such a waste. So this is just a great way to try all different scents, as well as just have a nice little refresher perfume on the go, because this is nice to keep in your purse or your car. And what's really cool is they also just came out with hand creams, which I've been obsessed with. My hands and my cuticles have been on another level of dry. Now this one is the Rose and Prosecco one, and it literally makes me want to go to brunch because it smells just like champagne. And what's really nice is this, I'll use it on my hands, but I'll also rub it into my cuticles or on my elbows or my knees or any place where I get ashy, and it's just, it's such a great way to just kind of refresh your skin throughout the day. A few other travel-friendly items that I always have in my purse or in my car are skincare. I got these little mini ones from Cosmedix, and they came in a little 4-piece kit, and this is the normal skin one. They are so cute, number one, but I cannot tell you how many times I need a touch-up of a serum, like my eyes are getting a little dry and I need some moisturizer, or I'm just staying someplace longer than I planned, or I wind up staying the night someplace, I need my own cleanser. These are just perfect to have, and again, this one is from Cosmedix. They do different ones for all different skin types, so make sure to check these out, but always have skincare in your purse, especially if you're like me and you're trying to prevent aging, and just make sure that your skin stays clear, because that we all know is a struggle, especially for me. Now, most people use dental floss to get stuff out of their teeth, and I do as well. This one from Cocofloss is my favorite. This is the Cara orange flavored one. I hate mint, so this orange one is like completely just, oh, it's so yummy. I love using this one. But besides using it to get food out of my teeth, I actually use it to save any lipsticks or chapsticks that I drop on the ground, because that happens actually quite often, and I've actually been doing this since I was, I think, 15. So I've been doing it for a while, but I always drop things, especially my lipsticks and my chapsticks, and then they get all that gross stuff from dropping on the floor. So when I do that, all I do is I twist it up just a tiny, tiny bit like that, and then I wrap the floss around 2 of my fingers. And then all you're gonna do is take it and then just drag it right across the top like that, and it just kind of peels off that top layer with all that gross stuff, and now you have a fresh chapstick. I'm not sure whether this one is considered a tip or a trick or a hack. I feel like it can honestly be all three, but it's for lashes, and you guys know I've struggled with lashes forever. And what I wanted to share is how I cut them right down the center. You can also cut them into thirds, but by doing this and then just applying them section by section, it's so much easier than having to just put that band down and then work with one large piece. By breaking it down into little sections, it's a lot easier to apply and control the lashes. So I saved my favorite beauty hack for last, and that is to powder your eyelashes. Now, I like to use a small fluffy brush and then my favorite loose setting powder. This one is by Laura Mercier. And all I do is take my brush, dip it in a little bit of the powder, tap off any excess, and then just lightly brush this over my eyelashes. I do this with my eyes open, but it's probably best to do it closed if you're new at it. And what this does is, because your eyelashes are naturally oily, this just kind of helps to mat them out and makes it a lot easier for your mascara to stick to your lashes. So when you apply, it just makes your lashes look so much bigger and fuller and more kind of voluptuous. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing my beauty tips, tricks, and hacks. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any of your own. I'd love to try them out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.